Well, hey guys, it's been a while. I just figured I'd do an update of the road so far. The 3 in blanks, waiting for sanding and some drilling and gallop. The paddock. My maple cable. These are all cable, by the way. All cable Damascus. And my newest acquisition. Yeah, I love working at a scrapyard. It is a railroad rail anvil, but somebody did a really good job.
And he did it.
And then somebody else threw it out.
Is that the window side?
So yeah, just a quick update. I haven't been doing much. Trying to get my house organized. We just moved. Sorry about that. But yeah, I just thought I'd do a little update about where we are. And I'm gonna have some fun with that at camp.
Yeah. Just say you'll be 14
That's
soon.
my portable anvil.
Very soon.
Talk to you guys shortly. Hi, Tequila. Rose. Hi, Rose.
Not me.
Hi, Rose. Here's Rose.
Hi.
Hi, Rose. There's Rose. Hi, Rose. There's Tequila. Therefore, Tequila, Rose, Porch.